Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Living Well Insight. Today's exciting video is for all the beginners out there looking to kickstart their fitness journey. We often get asked about easy, no-equipment workouts, so today, I'm going to share with you 5 quick and effective bodyweight exercises perfect for beginners. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, so no excuses. But before we jump into it, let's make sure those muscles are warmed up. Follow along with me. Alright, feeling warmed up? Let's dive into the main workout. Exercise 1, Squats. Our first exercise is the classic squat. It's fantastic for targeting those quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and let's go. Exercise 2, Push UPS. Next up, we've got push-ups, a great upper body workout. Keep that body in a straight line, engage your core, and push through those arms. Exercise 3, Lunges. Lunges are excellent for working those leg muscles. Take a step forward, lower your hips, and push back up. Alternate those legs. Exercise 4, Plank. Now, let's engage that core with a plank. Keep a straight line from head to heels. You can do this on your hands or forearms, whichever is more comfortable. Exercise 5, Jumping Jacks. And for a bit of cardio, we have jumping jacks. Get that heart rate up while working your whole body. Now, let's put it all together in a quick circuit. We'll do each exercise for 30 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. Repeat the circuit 3 times for a full body burn. And there you have it, a quick and effective bodyweight workout for beginners. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly. If you found this workout helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Living Well Insights for more fitness tips and routines. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. Which exercise was your favorite, or do you have any other workout requests? Let me know. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.